up, Niya babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Niya. So if you guys are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, Niya babes. If you are new here, make sure you guys click that subscribe button because you're gonna want to come back and watch every single video, so you might as well just go click it now. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and leave a comment. And I've been trying to do more hair videos for you guys, so that's what I'm going to be getting into today. Hello. If you have not heard of the Cardi B hair mask, it is a hair mask that she uses on herself and her daughters to moisturize their hair. At first I thought it was to like help your hair grow, but I mean, I guess it can, but the purpose of it is just for moisturizing. And if you guys seen my last video of me turning my hair blonde without bleach, you guys should go check that out. That actually made my hair really dry, so I did put a lot of moisturizers and leave-in conditioners in my hair, but I just want to try this out just to see how it goes, and I'm going to try to be consistent with it. So let's get into all the ingredients.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me stay at the death. Pointed at nigga who act like a killer, but you only work from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it.
So as you guys can tell, I'm currently in my shower. If you're not new here, you already know whenever I come in my bathroom, I gotta speak up a little bit because my vent is connected to my light. But I already have my hair combed out and sectioned, so I'm gonna start with this part right here in the front, because you know it always be easiest when you start in the front. So I'm gonna start in the front and then go straight to the back and all around. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be good.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
So you guys, I'm finally done. I twisted it at the end. Disclaimer. I don't think I mixed it long enough because it's supposed to be smoother. Obviously, you know that I said that it was a little watery. But I know Cardi B did say something about avocado chunks and how it's hard to get out of your hair. So we're gonna see how that goes. But I'm just putting a little bit on my scalp. And then I'm gonna put this shower cap on and then I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour and a half and then I'm gonna get back with you guys.
2 hours later.
So you guys, I just finished rinsing it out my head. I washed and conditioned my hair. I had to wash it. At first I was just gonna condition it, but I had to wash it because, y'all, she was not joking when she said avocado is hard to get out of the hair. So when y'all make this mask, make sure those avocados are well blended, because that was not fun. I'm gonna see if you can see some. See? So it's all in my hair, you guys. I've even used this type of comb. I've used a red foil comb. She wasn't playing, guys. She's not playing. All that is avocado. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how it worked for y'all's hair. Peace.